Hello students, I am Shubhashish. Today we are going to learn the part 3 of ratio applications. Let's start by thinking about something you might have experienced before. Imagine you're selling a toy or a book. You bought it for a certain price and now you're selling it for a higher or lower price. If you sell it for more than you paid, you make a profit. But if you sell it for less, you face a loss. Profit and loss are important ideas to understand when selling or buying anything. Have you ever seen a discount in a store? Maybe you bought a pair of shoes or a shirt that was on sale. The store reduced the price to help you save money. The amount they take off is called the discount, and the new price after the discount is the selling price. Discounts are very common during sales or when stores want to attract more customers. The marked price is the original price, and when a discount is given, the selling price becomes lower. Learning outcomes. After the completion of this lesson, you will be able to understand how profit and loss percentages are calculated based on cost and selling prices. Learn how to calculate the selling price after applying a discount to an item. Identify the difference between marked price and selling price in real-life situations. Solve problems related to profit, loss, and discount percentages using simple formulas. Keywords from this lesson are profit, loss, cost price, selling price, marked price, discount. Profit and loss are calculations used to determine how much profit or loss a business or individual has made based on the cost price and selling price of goods or services. The cost price is the price a shopkeeper or a person pays to buy an item. It is the amount spent to get the product or service. The selling price is the price at which the item is sold to customers. It can be higher or lower than the cost price depending on whether the shopkeeper wants to make a profit or if they're selling at a loss. Profit percentage. Profit is the amount gained when the selling price is higher than the cost price. Formula for profit percentage. Profit percentage equals to profit by cost price into 100, where profit equals to selling price minus cost price. Loss percentage. Loss occurs when the cost price is higher than the selling price. Formula for loss percentage. Loss percentage equals to loss by cost price into 100, where loss equals to cost price minus selling price. Now we will solve some problems to understand this concept. Example 1. A shopkeeper bought a suitcase for Rs 480 and sold it for Rs 540. Find his gain percent. Solution. Given. Cost price of suitcase is equal to Rs 480. Selling price of suitcase is equal to Rs 540. We know formula for profit percentage is equal to profit by cost price into 100. And profit is equal to SP minus CP equals to 540 minus 480 is equal to 60. Now substitute the values in the formula. Profit percentage equals to 60 by 480 into 100, 6 by 48 into 100, 1 by 8 into 100, 100 by 8, which is equal to 12.5%. Therefore, the gain percent on selling the suitcase is equal to 12.5%. Example 2. A man sells his scooter for Rs 18,000, making a profit of 20%. How much did the scooter cost him? Solution. Given. Selling price of scooter equals to Rs 18,000. We know that the person makes profit when he sells scooter more than its cost price. So profit percentage equals to 20% equals to 20% of cost price equals to 20 by 100 into cost price. We also know that profit equals to selling price minus cost price. And by selling, he makes profit. So selling price equals to cost price plus profit. Selling price equals to cost price plus 20 by 100 into cost price. Taking cost price common. Rs 18,000 equals to CP of 1 plus 20 by 100 into 1. Rs 18,000 equals to CP of 1 plus 0.20. CP equals to 18,000 by 1.20. CP equals to Rs 15,000. Hence, the cost price of the scooter is equal to Rs 15,000. Example 3. Sam purchased 40 dozen bananas for Rs 250. Out of these, 36 bananas were rotten and could not be sold. At what rate per dozen should he sell the remaining bananas to make a profit of 26%? 1 dozen is equal to 12. Solution. Given. Cost price of 40 dozen bananas is equal to Rs 250. Gain required equals to 26%. Out of 40 dozen, that is 40 into 12, equals to 480 bananas. "36 bananas were rotten, so 480 minus 36, which is equal to 444. Hence, number of good bananas equals to 444. In question, they mentioned that Sam required 26% profit on how much he invested in buying the bananas. So, gain percent equals to 26% of cost price equals to 26 by 100 into 250 equals to 0.26 into 250, which is equal to rupees 65. Now, selling price is equal to cost price plus profit equals to rupees 250 plus rupees 65, which is equal to rupees 315. Therefore, selling price of 444 bananas is equal to rupees 315. Now we need to calculate the cost of bananas per dozen. So, here we have 444 bananas. To know how many dozens we have, we need to divide it by 12. Number of dozens is equal to 444 by 12 equals to 37. Hence, there are 37 dozen of good bananas. So, cost of 1 dozen of bananas is equal to 315 by 37. Equals to 8.51 rupees. Hence, Sam should sell the remaining bananas at rupees 8.51 per dozen to make a profit of 26%. Discount. A discount is a reduction in the original price of an item, usually given as a percentage. It is the amount subtracted from the original price to encourage customers to buy. Formula for discount percent. Discount percent equals to discount amount by original price into 100. Marked price, MP. The marked price is the original price of a product before any discount is applied. It is a price that is labeled or displayed on the product, which is often higher than the selling price, SP, after a discount. Formula to calculate selling price after discount. Selling price equals to marked price minus discount. Now we will solve some examples. Example 1. A carpenter allows 15% discount on his goods. Find the marked price of a chair which is sold by him for rupees 680. Solution. Given discount equals to 15% equals to 15 by 100 of marked price. Equals to 15 by 100 into marked price. Selling price is equal to rupees 680. We know selling price is equal to marked price minus discount. Selling price equals to marked price minus of 15 by 100 into marked price. Where MP is taken common. SP equals to MP of 1 minus of 15 by 100 into marked price. 680 equals to marked price of 1 minus 15 into 1 by 100. 680 equals to MP of 1 minus 0.15. 680 equals to MP of 0.85. Marked price equals to 680 by 0.85. Marked price equals to rupees 800. Example 2. A dealer allows a discount of 10% and still gains by 10%. What should be the marked price if the cost price is rupees 900? Solution. Let the marked price be Y. Given discount equals to 10%. Gain equals to 10%. Cost price equals to rupees 900. We know that the discount will be on marked price. So discount equals to 10% of marked price equals to 10 by 100 into Y. Selling price equals to marked price minus discount. Selling price equals to Y minus 10Y by 100. Selling price equals to 100Y minus 10Y by 100. Selling price equals to 90Y by 100. Selling price equals to 9Y by 10. First equation. When do we get profit or gain? When the selling price is more than the cost price, right? So, selling price equals to cost price plus gain. Selling price equals to cost price plus 10% of cost price. Selling price equals to 900 plus 10 by 100 into 900. Selling price equals to 900 plus 90. Selling price equals to 990. Second equation. Now solve 1 and 2. (9y) by 10 equals to 990. 9y equals to 990 into 10. Y equals to 990 into 10 by 9. Y equals to 9900 by 9. Y equals to 1100. Therefore, the marked price is equal to 1100. Example 3. The marked price of a book is Rs 225. The publisher allows a discount of 10% on it. Find the selling price of it. Solution. Given. The marked price of the book is equal to Rs 225. We know that we will get discount on marked price. So discount equals to 10%. Equals to 10% of marked price equals to 10 by 100 into 225. We know selling price equals to marked price minus discount. Selling price equals to 225 minus 10 by 100 into 225. Selling price equals to 225 of 1 minus 10 by 100 into 1. Selling price equals to 225 of 1 minus 0.1. Selling price equals to 225 of 0.9. Selling price equals to 202.5. Therefore, the selling price of the book is equal to Rs 202.5. Points to remember. Profit is when the selling price is higher than the cost price, and the loss happens when the selling price is lower than the cost price. Profit equals to selling price minus cost price, and loss equals to cost price minus selling price. Profit percentage equals to profit by cost price into 100. Loss percentage equals to loss by cost price into 100. A discount reduces the original price of an item to encourage people to buy it. The marked price is the original price before a discount is applied, while the selling price is the final price after the discount. Selling price equals to marked price minus discount. Thanks for watching.